may seem like AMC had a pretty rough trading day today, and it only ended 1 cent higher. But in fact, we ended above a very significant level that could really move us forward throughout the rest of the week, and we could watch AMC continue to bounce. Now, I'm going to talk about these levels, and no, I'm not going to reference anything that I see on Twitter because, we talked about it in the technical analysis video yesterday. Everything is bullish, right? AMC's only ever going to go up. Don't matter if the stock price is trending down, it's going to go up tomorrow. Don't matter if it's going up, it's going to go up tomorrow. Don't matter if it's a bull flag, inverted bull flag, cup and handle, inverted cup and handle. Everything always says it's going to go up. But, in fact, the level of support that we finished at today could indicate that we're moving higher, especially on a bounce that we saw in the NASDAQ, the SPY, and so on. So I do want to talk about these levels, and I also want to talk about Adam Aron's interactions on Twitter, or lack thereof, recently. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, get you guys 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there as well. But let's just start with Adam Aron's tweets, or like I say, lack thereof. Adam Aron, very active on Twitter, but he has not been active in the last 4 or 5 days. Most likely due to the fact that AMC has been retracing over the last 4 or 5 trading days. And anytime the price action is to the downside, I believe they gauge the sentiment is to the downside as well. So I would say next green day, watch out. We're probably going to be due for a tweet in that category. And hey, man, anything that can encourage investors, anything, I don't care at this point. The only thing I don't want to see coming out of Adam Aron's mouth is any sort of deception towards just, I guess, increasing share authorization so AMC can make money and you can be the ones to provide that money. That is the only thing I don't want to see. Anything that inspires investors, anything that is conducive to a short squeeze, I welcome it with arms wide open. Now, I do want to talk about these technical levels because, we were looking at this level of $23 resistance or support, which was resistance earlier today, but hopefully is holding up as support again, and why it's important with the overall levels of the market. Now, we talked on Friday about the possibility of the NASDAQ and the SPY bouncing today, and they did just that. They stopped right around a level of support on Friday, and anytime you can be at that level of support and bounce off, it is an extremely bullish move. We talked about the same thing for AMC. However, AMC opened up lower this morning, and it was going towards those $20 levels of support. Didn't quite make it, but it certainly rebounded as the NASDAQ and as the SPY were rebounding throughout the day, and AMC did finish right above that $23 level of support. Now, this is big news, and it's bullish news because it does show that 3 days in a row now, that $23 level of support has held up as just that. Support. If we're able to continue this upside movement in the overall market tomorrow, AMC moves higher off this level of support, we may have a new intermediary bottom. Now, if we do break through, guys, because I'm not gonna sit here and tell you AMC is only ever gonna go up in price, but if we do break through, that $20 level is significant on a variety of scales. It does have several times where it was tested both as support and resistance, as well as being that psychological or emotionally significant level of a nice flat number at $20 per share. So if we do see that continuation to the downside and we don't hold this level at 23, we may have a pullback back down to 20 before we bounce again. But 3 days in a row, 23 is held up, and I hope that we've got some continuation to the upside tomorrow. And why I say hope is because if you pull out a graph in the NASDAQ and you see where it's at, it did hit a level of resistance today. So it went from about, I think it was around 14,500 points, and it's trading right there at a level of resistance now. So if that action continues, I absolutely believe it could transfer over to AMC. But as far as like popularity goes, AMC is looking incredible right now. Why do I say that? It is one of the most heavily, or was at least last week, one of the most heavily traded stocks. Therefore, it is bringing in the attention of the day traders and swing traders and so on again, which could increase both buying and selling pressure. Okay, you can't expect these day traders to hold AMC. They're buying it and selling it. But one of the things that I like to look at most, Google Trend Analytics, trends.google.com. You go out, you search for AMC stock. You can see that searches are on the rise. Because anytime people are searching for AMC stock, especially if they're brand new investors or brand new to the meme stock game and they're brand new searches, that is incredible news. That translates over perfectly to increased demand. If you get an increasing price, you're going to have increased search volume. If you get an increased search volume, you should have an increasing price. And that is exactly what we have right now. An increase in search volume indicating an increase in demand for AMC stock. Now, hopefully that correlates over to a continual increase in the price of AMC. I know last week was amazing, right? We still did end up, I believe, 15% from where we were. But going from $20 per share to $34 per share, all in the same 2-day period, and then yes, pulling back a little bit, but we still ended at $23 per share. It is incredible the amount of success that AMC experienced last week, and we have to celebrate the little wins. If we don't, guys, we can so easily get discouraged. And then we can go on and see all of the haters bashing AMC. And if you're in a game like this, and I do say game, because AMC is a speculative trade play. It is not an investment. It is not based on fundamentals. It is not based on Adam, Aron, or me, or any other person out there. AMC is a speculative trade based on the shorts covering. And I'm telling you right now, they will try any and every tactic possible to get you to sell your shares. If you go read all the negativity, you will want to sell. If you surround yourself with all of these bears that are on the internet surrounding AMC, you will want to sell. You have to celebrate the victories, no matter how big, no matter how small. Last week was great, and today we finished at a level of support, so hopefully we see a bounce tomorrow. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. What do you guys got going on for your AMC trades out there? Are you bullish, or what are you kind of thinking right now? And of course, build each other up. That is exactly what we're here for. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com, all in the description below, each with their own rewards. And of course, guys, till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.